200,000 people have fled their homes in eastern Congo in recent days. Pressing crosses, the United Nations said, as Rwanda-backed rebels march on a strategic town just days or Kinshasa after Donald Trump hosted the Rwandan and Congolese leaders to proclaim peace.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a TV news broadcast just as you have watched. Okay, the first step is to head over to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. I want to create a TV newscast, like TV news broadcast. I have a lady presenter give me the prompt for the broadcast. Okay, and you can see it has given me news broadcast script example. That is just an example. Add on that is the camera and the b-roll, and then the studio look prompt. Okay, now here what we need is just the news broadcast prompt and the studio look, how the studio should look. So copy first of all the news broadcast prompt, and then head over down and copy the studio look prompt. Okay, after that, now we head over to the next step where we are going to use an app I have mentioned in this video. Okay, and the name of that app is Nano Banana. Okay, to access Nano Banana, head over to LM Marina and choose on Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana, which is a free plan. Okay, after that you need to click on plus and add the image you want to use, either your image from made by AI or anything. Okay, so just paste in the two prompts that you need, and then you need to add a sentence here. Okay, so that Nano Banana can use the image as the reference. Okay, just scroll up here, and where it has started explaining how the lady should be, you place in this prompt or this text to guide Nano Banana. Okay, like this. Use the attached image or woman from the image provided. Okay, and then click on send and give Nano Banana some seconds to create for you the image you want. It will take about 10 to 20 seconds to generate the image. The Nano Banana is free and unlimited and without watermark, so it's a good image generator or Photoshop. Okay, now you can see the image is here. It is turning good. This is what we asked for. You can see my image is there. The uniform of my uniform is changed also. It looks like for that of a news actor or anchor. Okay, now you need to download this image and save it on your gallery. Okay, so to do that you need to press the image, click on download the image, wait for the image to be downloaded, and the image will be saved on your device. Okay, now let's head over to the next step, and the next step is this. The next step is to find the news. Okay, to find the news you can either go to Google and find what is trending in your country, in the world, or anything. So I'm just going to use East Africa Trading News, or you can use anything, or you can find news from anywhere. Okay, either something trading or anything, something breaking news, anything. You can just, so that you have, so long as you have the sentences and then they are legit and laid. Okay, now this is the news that I'm going to use as an example. Okay, you can just use yours, the one you want. Okay, now I'm going to use the first paragraph and the second paragraph, but because you cannot copy and paste this, I'm going to screenshot, and then after screenshotting I'm going to paste or write them directly. Okay, you can do any of that. So let's head over to the next step. Okay, the next step now is to find the tone, the attitude, the lightening of our image when turning it to video. Okay, you can see, give me the camera, lightening, atmosphere, tone, add tone, and click on send. Give ChatGPT some second to create for you or to bring for you that prompt, and you can see here is what I asked for, that is camera, lightening, atmosphere, and tone. Okay, I'll go ahead and tell ChatGPT this, turn this into one single prompt. Okay, one single master prompt, that is what it is called. Okay, I'm going to write this, turn this into one single master prompt, and then after that you need to click on send, and then you can see ChatGPT have turned it into one master prompt. Now I'm going to copy this prompt and save it on the clipboard of my device, and I'm going to show you how to now turn our image into stunning videos. Okay, now let's head over to the next and the fourth step. Okay, now to turn our image into stunning videos, we are going to use Glock AI. Head over to Play Store and download yours if you have not done so. Okay, now after here you need to click on create video, click on continue, click on allow, and then click on choose the image you want to use. Okay, click on open gallery or photo library if you want to know. Ours is photo library because it's already on our device. Okay, now choose the image, choose the image you want to use. Our image is here, and this is our image. Okay, the one on top there. Okay, that click on the image. Now under the image you can see type to customize video, so you need to type there. So we are going first of all to type in what we are going to type in: the tone, the lightening, the atmosphere, the camera angle. That is what we are going to type first. Okay, I'm just editing or deleting what is not important in that text. Okay, you know ChatGPT has some extra text, you need to take care. You should not copy everything. Okay, because I copied everything, I need to delete some of the text. Okay, if you're watching this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now you can see I want to write in what it should say, what our character should say. Okay, click on write dialogue. After writing dialogue, put in a colon, then opening quotation mark, and then paste in the word, the sentence or the word you want the character to say. Okay, I'm just deleting some parts because you need to move on with one sentence. So you need to create one sentence, one sentence, one sentence. Okay, you can see this. Okay, I'm also going to delete it more, less than this. Okay, I think that is enough. Click on closing quotation mark and then click on put in a full stop. After doing that, you need to click on send. Give it some seconds, it will also create the image very fast. Okay, confirm your age confirm your age, click on continue. After that, you'll give it some seconds and it will create the image. You can see it has started counting. It will count 1 up to 100, but it is very fast. Okay, Rock AI is free, unlimited, and it has no watermark, so it's good, and it comes up with the voice.
The Andorillo, 200,000 people have fled their homes in eastern Congo in recent days.
As you have heard, Rock AI did the best job. Okay, now let's create our second script using our second sentence. You can see, just delete this, delete it using the deleting. Okay, and we say you are going to write the word dialogue, a colon, opening quotation mark, the sentence, and then closing quotation mark and a comma. Okay, now let me paste the sentence there, the part of the sentence that I want. Okay, let me delete the extra parts. Okay, as I do this, guys, remember to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also share this video so that I can reach more people out there who are ready to create content like this. Liking, sharing, and commenting, subscribing is a good thing. Okay, and that is promoting me. Okay, now I will write dialogue, I will write the colon. Remember, don't use the same colon, use a colon, and then opening quotation mark, the sentence, and then closing quotation mark at the end of the sentence and full stop. Okay, I have repeated this twice so that you cannot make mistake. If you don't do this, your avatar will not rock, your avatar will not lip sync and all that. Okay, so remember to follow this step so that your avatar can lip sync and speak. Okay, because Glock AI comes out with the audio, you are not going to upload or record. Okay, it gives you the best audio according to what you have asked it to give you. Okay, and you can see generate the video. It will be take up to 100%. It is very fast. Listen to the clip and I will be back.
President crosses, the United Nations said, as Rwanda-backed rebels march on a strategic town just days.
Now, guys, I'm going to create the third and the last sentence as an example. Hope you have understood. If you have done so, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now you can see the word dialogue, not the semicolon, the colon and the opening quotation mark are still there. So I'm going to delete the past sentence and copy and paste the sentence I want to create now. Okay, that is what I'm going to do. After doing that, I'm going to close the quotation mark, and then I'll delete everything like this. Okay, after deleting everything, I will paste what I want, and then I'll delete the part I don't want. Okay, guys, remember I said dialogue, a colon, opening quotation mark, then closing quotation marks. That is what you're going to do to come up with the best. And I said also, remember to create one sentence at each time, or each sentence at a time, because if you don't do so, your avatar will not lip sync well. The avatar will speak very fast, and the video will be so fast it will look as if it's not natural. It will not sound well, it will not come up well. So remember to create one sentence at a time. Don't be tired, because Glock AI is free. Glock AI doesn't come with a watermark, and easy and simple to use. Okay, now this is my last sentence I'm going to create, and it is awesome. Just listen to it.
Or Kendra after Donald Trump hosted the Rwandan and Congolese leaders to proclaim peace.
Now that I'm done creating my sentences, the examples, okay, the next thing is to download. To download, you're going to click on this download icon. You can see it here. You download it, and then you scroll to the last or the video you want to download it until all the video will be downloaded and saved on the gallery or on the device you're using, either a laptop or a mobile phone. I'm doing this using my mobile phone, so you can also do it using your laptop. Okay, let's head over to the next and the last step. The last step is to edit, to combine these clips so that you can come up with a video. To do that, you can use InShot or CapCut. I'm first of all going to use InShot editor app. I'm going to import my clips. After importing my clips, I'm going to delete the parts I don't want, because some parts I don't want. Okay, and then you can see the camera angle, the lightening. You don't need to add anything in this script. Okay, you just combine them, add the volume, and then upload them. Okay, that is the only thing you're supposed to do. Okay, now here I'm going to just add them to combine them very well, and then after doing that, I'm going to cut this part. I don't want this part. There is some extra text there on my first clip, and when I listen to the length, I feel as if they are fine. They are okay. Okay, now to do that, now just need to export. First of all, remove the watermark by washing an ad. That is what is required in InShot. After that, you need just to export and save it on your device. Okay, you can see it is playing very well. There is no ad, there is no watermark, and that is fine because you just watched one ad. That is why I like InShot. Also, InShot does not have all the editing tools or software that you need. So the next step, you're going to use awesome CapCut. Okay, now I'm here on CapCut and I want to add the background music. I'm going to click on audio, click on sound, and then there on the search bar, I'm going to write news broadcast. Just that, news broadcast, and then click on search. Give it some second. You can see there is some that has a diamond icon or diamond watermark. That means they are not free, so don't use them. Use the one that they doesn't have, because they are free to use. Okay, remember, if you use something that has a diamond or not free, you're not going to upload that or to export that clip on your device. Okay, or that video. Okay, now I'm listening to some of them and I want to choose one of them. Okay, guys, if you're watching this video so far, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and also share so that more people can reach more people. Okay, now I think this audio here, this background music is fine. I'm just going to choose one of them, and then I'm going to use them. I think this is fine. Okay, you have watched the intro of this video, so you know what I use, but this is what you're going to use. And then one more thing, guys, I'm going to tell you, if you try to play your video here after you have chosen the background music you want to use, you'll hear the background music is overlapping the audio of your avatar. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to reduce the background music to 10, allow 10 there. I will just advise you 10, 12, allow there. And then after doing that, you will import, or it will be fine, because the background music is less weight than the main video. Okay, now you can see the background music is bigger, or is large, or is, that is what I want to mean. You just cut the extra parts, and then we export the video, and then that is it for today. Let's meet in the next video. Bye.